My name is Sudhakar. I am the facility director for Narayana Multi-Specialty Hospital. Earlier, Narayana Multi-Specialty Hospital was known as Narayana Hridayalaya. So this is a very unique, innovative delivery system which we have launched called Artificial Pancreas System in association with Trina Health of US. So in this particular methodology, what we do is the patient will be hooked onto a small device which is known as an artificial pancreas system for about 4 hours, and over a period of 6 to 10 weeks the patient will get almost about 10 to 12 settings of this artificial pancreas system. And as you have seen, in Dr. Ford's presentation, that the comorbid conditions of diabetes like neuropathy, nephropathy, cardiomyopathy, these kind of deadly symptoms or deadly side effects are actually reduced by this particular system. So the obvious question is how it is different from the other device which help in regulating the insulin. This particular device is actually, it works in a pulsatile fashion. It mimics the physiological pattern of the insulin which is delivered by the beta cells of pancreas. So thereby it reduces the complications of diabetes, right? So the best thing which Dr. Ford was showing was the cost of amputation versus the cost of therapy. So if you compare the quality of life with these comorbid conditions, it is definitely much better to go through this therapy and then improve the quality of life. Normally it depends upon the severity of the diabetes, severity of the condition of the patient. Anywhere between 10 to 12 sitting on an average is what we are expecting a patient to get. And success rate, right, right. If you typically look at there are in terms of the conditions, like for example ejection fraction of 20 has improved to 50-55, which is near normal. So if you look at that particular examples what Dr. Ford has given, I think the success rate is almost about 75 to 80%.